Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to rearrange the items. So, for example, if you want to rearrange the way this shows up here on the screen, let's say, for example, you want to move this open food. Like on every screen, this open food button is at different spots. But let's say you just want to have it up here in the corner on every single section you go to. That way it's always kind of in the same spot. Let me show you how you would do that. Okay, so you want to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Click on the menu here at the top left, go to account menu, and then go to items. No, I'm sorry, we're going to go to sections. Go to sections, and then you just pick each category. So let's go into beverages first. And then down here, we're going to see all of our menu items that are here in this section. Now I can click this arrow here and it will sort them alphabetically if that's how you want to do it, or you can grab the little 6 dots here and move this item up. I'm not really sure how well this works on a cell phone or an iPad when you're using your finger, but with a mouse it's real easy. Just grab it and move it. Hopefully it's easy on mobile devices as well. So we'll move that one there, we'll hit save. Exit out of that. I'm gonna go to entrees, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna move open food to the top. So basically when you move it to the top, it's showing from the left going right. So if you're on your order screen, you'll see your items going from left to right. So the top left would be the open food. That one's already there. Mexican. There. All right, did I get them all? I got that one too. This one. All right. So basically, when you're looking at your point of sale terminal, you're seeing this item in the top left, and then this would be second from the left, third from the left, fourth from the left, and then the next row would be far left. Second row would be the 50 burritos, and then next to that would be ribeye, so on and so forth. Just like how you read. Okay, so we got all those in there, and I will hit publish changes, confirm, make sure we get our successful down here, and there we go. All right, so now let's take a look and see what that looks like on the workstation now. Okay, so now that we're back on the workstation, let's go ahead and start a table here and see what that looks like. So we start out on beverages, and we see that the open food's on the left there, Mexicans on the left, entrees on the left. And that's what I wanted to see. That way it's the same spot no matter which section or category you go into. But that's how you rearrange the items. That's all I have for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.